Our children seem to spend the whole day online. I'd love to know what they're doing.
The average child spends around 90 minutes online, according to a recent European Commission survey. But it does increase with age. When they're online, the number one activity isn't watching video clips, social networking, or playing games, but schoolwork. Even though being online may seem like a solitary activity, as many as 3 out of 4 children communicate using social networks, instant messaging, and email. To find out what your children are doing online, why not learn about the social networks they use, and even play online games with them? Unwanted websites can pop up, so make sure they know how to block them. I'm worried that they could be talking to strangers online. 70% of children surveyed only talk to their friends online. Those who do speak to strangers are usually older children who are actually speaking to friends of friends. But when children do talk to strangers, they rarely end up in dangerous situations. Still, it's always important to give them the right skills to stay safe when meeting online friends in real life. Give your children the freedom to discover the internet and educate them about the possible dangers online. Help your children develop the skills to detect online predators. If they're planning to meet up with an online friend, set rules so it can be done safely.
But how can they have 800 friends online? I only had about 10 when I was a kid.
Having 800 online friends is usually a myth. Most children actually have less than 50. The rest are often just acquaintances. Children want to be popular, and having lots of online friends is an easy way of showing this. The danger is the amount and nature of the information shared, not the number of friends they have. We should all be careful when we share personal information on the internet, so teach your children why they should avoid sharing too much information online. The internet is amazing. But don't forget to talk regularly with your children about being safe online.